teacher for our Montessori pre-K program. We have experience, we have a love for children, and we also have instilled in our students the love of learning.
At Pioneer Academy, we really focus on educating the whole child. Of course, we focus on the standards and make sure they're met and, ready for academic success, but also more than just that. So we focus on creativity, we focus on athletics, and then we really focus on character education, kindness, trustworthiness, built into our daily routines.
I love having the creative freedom to appropriate for each child while taking into account their social, physical, and cognitive abilities. I love having small class sizes. It awards me the opportunity to meet the needs of every one of my students.
My teachers are very nice and I like them a lot.
We can have one-on-one with children who are struggling in certain areas, and we assess them constantly, formally, and we use MAP testing 3 times a year for the fall, winter, and spring. And therefore we can have constant assessment on different areas where they might be struggling and how far they've come, and we can celebrate their accomplishments.
I like going to Pioneer Academy. I learn a lot. It's fun to learn here. I learn about technology.
Pioneer Academy is really innovative. My favorite thing about working at Pioneer Academy is academic freedom.
It is the best school in the whole wide world, and I love all my teachers, and it's really fun. All the classes are really good, and I have lots of good friends too.
The elementary community is basically like a team. We work together over many different academic areas. It's cross-curriculum. I come into the classroom to help them, they help me, especially with art club, especially with every month there's a character lesson, so I help out with that. We're basically like a family.
We were very selective in terms of the staff that we hired. We wanted to be certain that we had certified teachers who not only understood and had a firm understanding of the standards and the way in which to prepare and deliver instruction, but we also wanted to be certain that they could create a learning environment that was warm, that was welcoming, and that would challenge every student to meet his or her full potential.
Pioneer Academy is warm. It's like a family. It really is for my child and for us. We try to stay very involved. We have close communications with the teachers here. We believe that the values and the morals that Pioneer Academy teaches are very important to the life of our child and really is an extension of our family.